Hi and welcome to Curviga Explained. With the Curviga Export, you can use your Curviga routes on your external navigation device. In this video we'll show you how it works and what to look out for. A photo, for example a JPG, is a fixed image. It always looks the same. A route, on the other hand, is different. Every navigation system recalculates it, with its own maps and rules. To save you the hassle, there is the Curviga Export. It helps you export your route so that it looks as close as possible to your planned route from Curviga on your navigation device. The easiest way to navigate is, of course, with the Curviga app. Thanks to the cloud, you don't need any export at all. If you want to export a route from Curviga, simply click Export in the Curviga menu. In the app, you can find the export in the three-dot menu. Now you can select the navigation device you want to export your route for. If you are already familiar with route transfer and know exactly what you need, you can specifically select a certain format and the matching specifications in the File Format tab. Once you've selected your navigation device, Curviga automatically picks the appropriate file format and shows you the relevant options. If an option is not displayed, your device likely doesn't support it. Depending on the device, you can now choose whether you want to export a track or a route. Many navigation devices unfortunately cannot import both together. Simply put, a track is the exact original course of the route, without waypoints. A route, on the other hand, is the path your navigation system recalculates based on the waypoints. In our decision guide, you'll find the pros and cons of track and route clearly summarized in a table. If you've chosen route, your navigation system will recalculate the route based on your waypoints. We therefore recommend placing additional waypoints. This stabilizes the route and keeps possible deviations low. With the intelligent option, Curviga automatically places additional waypoints at strategically useful locations, for example, before intersections. With the regular option, you can use the slider to set at which intervals additional waypoints are placed. In the preview on the right, you can always see what will be exported and how your settings affect it. When everything is ready, click Export Route at the bottom, and your file will be downloaded. Please remember, the Curviga Export translates your route into the language of your navigation system as well as possible. But even Curviga can't perform magic. Differences in map data or system logic can still lead to slight deviations. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or feedback, feel free to visit our forum or follow us on social media. You can find the links in the video description. We wish you lots of fun planning and riding your tours.